Homeowners, you paid good money for that Shark vacuum, so why won't it charge? Let's get it working again. Here's what you need to know. First, check the charging dock. Make sure it's plugged in and the power outlet works. Try plugging something else into the same outlet to be sure. Next, wipe the charging contacts on both the dock and your vacuum. Dust and debris can stop a good connection. Just use a soft, dry cloth. Still nothing? Make sure the robot's battery is seated correctly. If it was recently dropped or knocked, the battery might have shifted. Also, look for error lights or beeps on your vacuum. If you see anything unusual, check your manual for what it means. If your vacuum is older, the battery itself might be worn out. Most robot vacuums need a new battery every couple of years. And finally, if none of these steps help, contact Shark Support. There might be a deeper issue, but usually it's a simple fix. So, before you toss your Shark robot or buy a new one, try these quick checks. You might save yourself time and money. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy home tips.